Welcome back to Cars Info Point. Today we're diving into the 2025 Chery Tiggo 7 Pro, a compact SUV that's making waves with its stylish design, feature-packed cabin, and competitive pricing. If you're looking for value without sacrificing comfort and tech, this might just be your next ride. From the outside, the 2025 Tiggo 7 Pro looks sharp and modern. Chery has updated the front fascia with a more aggressive grille, sleeker LED headlights, and bold character lines along the body that give it a premium SUV stance. The redesigned alloy wheels and chrome accents add just the right touch of sportiness and class. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine that delivers around 197 horsepower and 290 Nm of torque. It's mated to a 7-speed, dual-clutch transmission, which offers smooth gear shifts and decent fuel economy. While it's not a performance SUV, it does offer a confident and comfortable drive, whether you're in the city or cruising on the highway. Step inside, and the cabin feels more upscale than you'd expect for this segment. The dashboard is dominated by a 24.6-inch dual-screen setup that combines a fully digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included, along with voice command, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof in higher trims. The Tiggo 7 Pro doesn't skimp on safety either. It includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera. For families, that means peace of mind on every journey. Space-wise, it's quite practical. You get generous rear legroom, and the boot capacity is more than enough for weekend trips or daily errands. The seats are wrapped in soft-touch materials, and the overall build quality feels solid and refined for the price point. Chery is also offering an impressive warranty package, which adds to the value proposition. In markets where the brand is gaining traction, this could be a major selling point for buyers who want modern features without the premium price tag. Overall, the 2025 Chery Tiggo 7 Pro is a strong contender in the compact SUV market. It's stylish, packed with technology, and offers great value. All the qualities budget-conscious buyers are looking for today. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. This is Cars Info Point. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.